In English, we might say, is Kim engaged or single? Well, in ASL, we'll sign this. Okay, let's jump in and learn something new. First, we're going to start with the name. So let's fingerspell. K-I-M. We have Kim. Kim. Here is the sign for engaged. Okay, use both hands. Now I'm right-handed, so with my non-dominant hand, I'm just going to make a flat hand. It's just loose. Put it down there and keep in mind where your ring finger is located, all right? With your dominant hand, for me, my right hand, we're going to make the letter E, right? Easy to remember. Engaged starts with E. Now take the E and hover it over your ring finger and do a little circle and drop it down. Engaged. Just think of like an engagement ring, right? Hover, drop it down. From the side. Engaged. Other side. From the front again. Engaged. Okay, or. Now this is something new and it's very useful. Okay, in this situation, in this context, we're giving whoever we're talking to a couple of options. We're giving them engaged or single, all right? Now we're going to communicate that by shifting our body, all right? Now before we do practice on that, let's first learn how to sign single. Then we'll know how to sign both options. Okay, here's a sign for single. Use your dominant hand, index finger is the hand shape, put it down here, palm facing in, and now just do a small circle. Single. From the side. Other side. From the front. All right, this sign also works for the concept of alone. In this context, we're using it for single. Like a person who's not married, they're not in a committed relationship, right? Single. All right? Thing to remember, stay down here and do a small circle. If you go up here and you do a big circle, it means always. And we don't want always. So look at the difference. Always single. All right, so stay down there, small circle. Good, good. Okay, let's go back to or. Now we call this the or body shift because I'm going to give you two options. Just watch what I do with my body. And the two options are engaged or single. Okay, here we go. All right, did you see it? Let me do it one more time. Okay, so if you watch my shoulders and my body, I shifted over. So we call this the or shift. And it's just showing people the options between two things. So I put engaged here, then I went over here for single. And my body shift indicated or. Okay, and then we seal the deal when we sign which, right? Because it's obvious that they need to choose between two options. So how do we sign which? That's right, which. Which? Okay, this is a WH question, right? So furrow those eyebrows. For me, it feels more comfortable to just furrow my eyebrows when I get to the question word. And at the top, when I'm signing Kim engaged, single, I just leave my eyebrows normal, all right? So let's get some practice. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Kim, engaged, single, which? All right, again, let's do it. Kim, engaged, single, which? All right, let's speed up a little bit. Okay, now this sentence is real nice. We're actually giving two indicators that whoever we're talking with, there are two options and we want to know which one. So we have the or shift, right? We're shifting like that with our body. And we also have just going like this, which. Very clear. What are we talking about? Is she engaged or single? Right. Okay, now this could be used for multiple things, right? You're just giving people two options. So maybe, Maybe we could be talking about a hamburger or eggs. Or two things. Whatever it is, you do one over here and another one over there. Right. So let's switch out Kim with the pronoun. Now I'm going to ask you directly. All right, I'm assigned to you. You engaged, single, which? How would we sign it? Go ahead. So I'm just going to go you, engaged, single, which? All right, let's sign this one more time with Kim. Here we go. Okay, we just talked about how to sign Kim engaged, single, which?